Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we'll learn how to optimize a FreqAI strategy using FreqTrade. We'll be using the strategy file called FreqAI Example Strategy, which you can download from the attachments section in the description below. Now, when it comes to optimizing a FreqAI strategy, the logic and commands are exactly the same as optimizing a rule-based strategy. However, according to the official documentation, you cannot hyperopt indicators used in the feature engineering and set FreqAI targets functions. That means you won't be able to optimize model parameters using hyperopt. Aside from that limitation, you can optimize all the usual spaces, like buy, sell, ROI, and stop loss, just as you would with a traditional strategy. So, the best way to combine hyperopt with FreqAI is to focus on optimizing entry and exit thresholds or criteria. If you're not yet familiar with FreqTrade hyperopt, or if you'd like a quick review, be sure to check out our previous tutorial, The Ultimate Guide to FreqTrade Hyperparameter Optimization. Now, let's take a look at the strategy. We start by defining the strategy parameter. Here, we're optimizing the future average return threshold, ranging from 0.5% to 2%, with a default value of 1%, and precision up to 3 decimal places. The space is set to buy. Next, in the populate entry trend function, we use this parameter. Once the parameter is defined, we're ready to run the hyperopt command. We'll be optimizing the FreqAI example strategy using the FreqAI config file. The optimization will focus on the stop loss, buy parameters, and ROI. We're working with 5-minute candles, covering the period from March 1st to June 1st, 2025. The optimization target is the Sharpe ratio, aiming to maximize risk-adjusted returns. We'll run 100 different parameter combinations, using all available CPU cores, except one to speed up the process. We set a random state to ensure reproducibility, so the results are consistent every time we run it. The MIN trades option filters out parameter sets with fewer than 50 trades, ensuring statistical relevance. Finally, we're using the Light GBM regressor model for FreqAI. Once this command runs, FreqTrade will begin searching for the best performing parameter combinations based on the Sharpe ratio. After the optimization process is complete, FreqTrade will automatically generate a strategy parameter file containing the best performing set of values found during hyperopt. This file stores the optimized parameters for the buy, ROI, and stop-loss spaces, all fine-tuned to maximize the Sharpe ratio based on historical data. Next, we can proceed with backtesting to verify and validate the optimized strategy. When we run the backtest, FreqTrade will automatically load the generated strategy parameter file, apply those values, and simulate trading over the specified time range. This allows us to double-check the performance of the optimized strategy in a controlled historical environment, ensuring the results are consistent with what we observed during hyperopt. And that's it. Now you know how to optimize a FreqAI strategy with FreqTrade. In the next tutorial, we'll take it a step further and learn how to develop a hybrid strategy, combining rule-based logic with FreqAI predictions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.